crochets into each. I'm gonna show you another cheating technique in just a moment because I'm about to hit where the slip stitch is, which always creates a really awful ugly gap, and I can show you how to hide it without impeding on your work at all. So what we have here, this is where it's showing, and you have the top of the stitch that I just went into, but the next one is not over here. So let me show you what it would look like if you did it as per your regular instruction. Watch what happens. You're gonna put 2 stitches into the next one. Look at that awful gap. You were gonna see it, you were gonna hate it, and it's just the nature of crochet. However, here's how you hide it. So what you wanna do is that, see this where it's joined? Treat that like it's a stitch. It's not, but treat it like it is. And I want you to put the first, you have to keep the stitch count the same. So what I want you to do is go right where it's joined and insert the hook in and pull through, and then pull through 2 and hold it. Then go into the stitch where you're supposed to go and double crochet. And as you finish that stitch, you're going to have 3 loops, pull through all 3. Those 2 just became 1 by doing so. So in order to keep the pattern consistent, there has to be 2 double crochets in this one here. And what that did is that filled in that awful gap, but never changed your yarn count at all for the amount of stitches. So what I want you to do